There's the fridge.
Shh, keep your voice down.
Hurry up! Where do we start?
I don't know, just get a move on. Bingo, this is it. Look, there's no name on the outside of this box, but on the inside...
That's the company Paul said he'd stopped using.
And it's on top of the animal rights tuna fishing hit list. All they've done is change the packaging.
So he did lie to me.
Now, what was that Des was saying about Paul not being such a bad guy after all?
Wait till you tell that journo from the Erinsborough News about this. The door!
Okay, there's a handle. We'll just wait for whoever's out there to leave.
Let's get out of here, Josh. This place gives me the creeps.
That's how.
They're taking their time.
I can't hear anyone out there.
What if they've gone home? My parents would kill me if they don't find me in bed tomorrow morning.
Melissa, that is the least of our problems, okay?
Right, there's Paul. And what about the note Cody gave to us? We're supposed to deliver it to her parents tomorrow
Let's
morning.
worry about it later, okay? Now, I don't hear anyone out there. I think they might have gone home for the night.
Is there any way of getting the door open?
Don't think so. This door's too heavy to lift off its hinges.
So we really are stuck?
Probably. At least until morning.
Oh, well, at least we dress for the occasion. Otherwise, I'll probably end up frozen.
Well, that's the scary thing. We probably might be.
What?
My guess is, in this sort of cold, if no one comes to find us, by morning we could be in big trouble.